The next question says an inductor of inductance L is equal to 400 millihenry and resistors of resistances R1 is equal to 2 ohm and R2 is equal to 2 ohm are connected to a battery of EMF 12 volt as shown in the figure. The internal resistance of the battery is negligible. The switch S is closed at t is equal to 0. The potential drop across L as a function of time is. Now the diagram which is given over here is something like this. In one branch there is only a resistance, and in the next branch we have the coil and a resistance in series. So this is L, this is R2, this is R1, this is EMF E, and this is the switch S. Now we can say for t equal to 0, we can say the current maximum, which is I naught, is going to be E naught by R2 in branch containing L and R2. Since we are interested in finding the potential drop across L, we better find the current equation across this branch. So in this branch, at t is equal to 0, we can say just at the start the current frequency or the variation is maximum, for which the L will provide almost zero resistance, which means I naught will depend only on R2 with E. So E by R2 will be the equation, or we should say E naught ki jagah pe E. Now we know for generally the LR circuits, the tau, the time constant, is L by R, which over here is L by R2. So L is 400 millihenry and R2, as it is given, it's 2 ohm. So it is going to be 200 millisecond. I hope you get this part. Now as we go further, we know the equation is I is equal to I naught into 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. This is the general equation. Now definitely to find the potential difference across L, we need to say V is equal to L di by dt, and for that we need to take the derivative of this equation. Therefore we can say di by dt is going to be I naught as it is, derivative of 1 is going to be 0, minus derivative of e raised to minus 1 by tau t is going to be 1 by tau into e raised to minus t by tau. This should be the equation. So if we substitute this equation over here, L as it is given as 400 millihenry into I naught, which is E by R2, E as it is, which is given as E is given as 12 volt upon R2 is 2 ohm into 1 by tau is going to be 1 by 200 millisecond into e raised to minus t by 200 millisecond. So it's basically 0.2. okay, 200 milli is 200 into 10 raised to minus 3, and that's why it is 0.2. Now over here definitely this milli gets cancelled, this is going to be 2 times cancelling this, so we are left with 12. So finally the equation is going to be 12 times e raised to 1 by 0.2 is 5, so minus 5t. So answer is 12 e raised to minus 5t.